What if the training materials your company already has could become a complete online learning program? Think about it. Your organization already has SOPs, employee handbooks, product documentation, process guides, policy documents, FAQs, PowerPoint presentations, recorded meetings, and internal knowledge articles. But here's the problem. Most of this valuable information is scattered across folders, shared drives, emails, and documents that employees rarely revisit. Instead of becoming a learning resource, it becomes forgotten knowledge. In this video, I'll show you how to transform your existing company knowledge base into a structured online course that employees can access anytime, anywhere. Let's get started. We'll cover 5 essential steps: auditing your resources, grouping them into modules, making them interactive, leveraging AI for speed, and finally, delivery through an LMS. Most organizations invest heavily in creating documentation. But documentation alone doesn't guarantee learning. Employees don't want to search through hundreds of pages just to find one answer. And reading documents rarely leads to long-term knowledge retention. Learning happens when information is structured, interactive, and easy to apply. That's why converting documentation into an online course creates far more value than simply storing files. Step 1 is to audit your existing knowledge. Before creating any courses, identify what knowledge already exists. You'll often discover that most of your training content has already been created. It just isn't organized for learning. Look for resources such as SOPs, manuals, HR policies, product documentation, sales playbooks, customer support guides, technical docs, and even recorded webinars or FAQs. Step 2, group information into learning modules. Instead of presenting everything as documents, organize content into logical learning paths. Breaking information into smaller learning modules makes content easier to understand and complete. For example, if you're building an onboarding course, you might create modules like company introduction, culture, policies, products, internal tools, and department processes. Step 3, convert documents into interactive learning. Simply uploading PDFs isn't enough. Transform each document into engaging learning experiences. The goal is to help employees apply knowledge, not just read it. Convert long text into short video lessons, create quizzes after each topic, use interactive scenarios, and include real workplace examples to ground the theory. Step 4, use AI to speed up course creation. Creating courses manually can take weeks, but AI can significantly accelerate the process. This dramatically reduces development time while maintaining quality. AI tools can summarize lengthy documents, generate learning objectives, create outlines, write quiz questions, and even produce scripts. Your team can then focus on reviewing and improving AI-generated content. Step 5, deliver everything through an LMS. Once your content is ready, publish it in a learning management system like Moodle. Your knowledge base becomes a searchable, measurable, and continuously improving learning platform. Organize courses by department or role, automate enrollments, and track progress. You can issue certificates and generate reports that show exactly how employees are engaging with the content. Converting your knowledge base into online courses offers several advantages. New employees onboard faster, training becomes consistent across teams, and critical knowledge stays within the organization. Employees can learn whenever they need support, and managers spend less time repeating the same information. Instead of static files, you create a living learning ecosystem. Now, some common mistakes to avoid. Avoid uploading documents without restructuring them. Don't overload learners with lengthy modules. Keep lessons short and focused. And always collect learner feedback to improve future training. Remember, the goal isn't simply to digitize documents, it's to create meaningful learning experiences. Update courses regularly as company processes evolve to keep them relevant. Your organization already owns one of its most valuable learning assets: its knowledge. The challenge isn't creating more information, it's organizing it into a format employees can actually learn from. With a structured approach, AI-powered content creation, and a platform like Moodle, you can transform everyday documents into engaging online courses. You just need the right strategy to unlock it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more insights on Moodle and digital learning. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.